Hi, I'm Bill Doherty, co-founder of the Doherty Relationship Institute and developer of Discernment Counseling. I want to talk about how it is that a particular kind of couple that's fairly common has been kind of ignored in our field of couples therapy. And that is what I call the mixed agenda couple on the brink, one person leaning out, not sure they want to stay, not sure they want to do therapy, the other leaning in, they want to work on the relationship. This is a non-trivial percentage of the couples we see. Some studies indicate maybe as many as 30%. So how could it be that until recently, we didn't really pay a lot of attention to these couples? In fact, we pay attention to couples who want to come in and work in the relationship. And if people are going to divorce, we help them, often as individuals, but sometimes as a couple, help them through that. And there's lots of resources when they've turned the corner to divorce, and there's lots of resources when they want to work on the relationship, but not in between. And again, it's not a small number of people. So how is it that couples therapy models have neglected these folks? Some of it is that when we develop a model, and now we have evidence-based models, research models, when we develop a model, we do our studies and we do our drill down and develop this model with people who are willing to work with us. So if you're doing a study, if somebody says, I'm not sure I want to stay around and I'm not sure I want to do therapy, you don't take them into your study. In fact, the research studies, the protocols rule out lots of folks, including mixed agenda couples. Not for any malicious reasons. You just want people, if it's a 12-session therapy, you want people who are going to stay for 12 weeks, for crying out loud, okay? So where we've gotten is we have these robust models for helping couples who are motivated to stay around and work on the relationship. And then we have ways to work with people who have decided to divorce. But we have this big gaping hole we have had about couples on the brink, undecided about whether to divorce or try it. With the added complication is that usually they see this very differently, one leaning out, one leaning in. So that's why I developed Discernment Counseling as a special tool to work with a special problem that we just have not paid that much attention to historically in our work with couples.